Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets the truth. Today, let's dive into a tool that's probably been recommended by your dentist more than once. The Waterpik Cordless Pulse Rechargeable Portable Water Flosser. If you've been searching for a convenient way to elevate your oral hygiene, especially if you're traveling or looking for a shower-friendly option, this might just be what you need. The Waterpik Cordless Pulse is designed to be a practical, on-the-go solution for maintaining clean teeth, healthy gums, and a fresh mouth, whether you're at home or on the road. With its compact, ergonomic design and the ability to be used in the shower, it's a portable powerhouse for your dental routine. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's look at what you get with this handy device. The Waterpik Cordless Pulse comes with two classic jet tips, offering a simple, no-fuss way to floss. It features two settings, low and high. This dual setting allows for a customizable experience, whether you need a gentler flow or a more intense clean. The water reservoir is removable and holds up to 6 ounces, providing you with a solid 45 seconds of flossing time on a single fill. The lithium-ion battery is rechargeable and gives you a quick recharge indicator, ensuring you're never caught with a dead device in the middle of your flossing session. It's also waterproof, so you can take it into the shower without worry. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and here's how it fared in real-world testing. The ergonomic handle is super comfortable to hold, with a non-slip grip, making it easy to maneuver. It's lightweight, which makes it travel-friendly, and the fact that it's waterproof is a major bonus for those who like to multitask and floss while showering. The jet tips are easy to attach, and the reservoir is a breeze to clean. Plus, it's relatively quiet, which is something I really appreciate compared to other water flossers that can be loud and disruptive. Now, let's talk performance. The Waterpik Cordless Pulse uses precision pulse technology, a combination of water pressure and pulsations, which is incredibly effective at removing plaque and bacteria from your teeth. After using it consistently, I noticed my gums felt healthier and my teeth looked and felt cleaner, especially in areas around braces or tight spaces that a traditional toothbrush can't always reach. It's also great for people with sensitive gums, as the lower setting offers a gentler water stream without sacrificing effectiveness. Of course, there are always a couple of things to consider. One downside is that the 6-ounce reservoir isn't huge. If you have a larger mouth or prefer to do a more thorough flossing session, you may need to refill it. But for most people, the 45-second flossing time is adequate. Additionally, the USB charger doesn't include a wall adapter, which might be an inconvenience for some users, but the charging cable is a standard USB, so it's not too big of an issue if you already have compatible charging accessories. In terms of value for money, it's a bit on the pricier side, especially when compared to manual flossing alternatives. However, considering that it's ADA approved, highly recommended by dentists, and offers a unique, easy-to-use water flossing system, it can be worth the investment, especially for those who want a more effective and efficient way to clean between their teeth and improve gum health. When comparing it to other water flossers, the Cordless Pulse stands out for its portability and waterproof design. While other models may offer more settings or larger reservoirs, this one provides a great balance between convenience and effectiveness, especially if you're someone who needs a portable option for on-the-go use. The build quality is solid. It feels durable and well-made, which is important for any personal care device you'll be using daily. The lithium-ion battery is efficient, and the fact that the device is waterproof gives it a sense of durability, ensuring it will last well over time if properly maintained. As for customer support, Waterpik has a strong reputation. They offer a 2-year warranty, and their Colorado-based customer service team is available to assist with any issues that arise. While it may be tempting to look for cheaper alternatives, it's essential to weigh the long-term benefits of using a dentist-recommended, ADA-approved product. That said, if you're looking for something with a similar function but at a lower price point, there are budget-friendly options that still offer solid performance. But if you want a product backed by research and a reputable brand, the Waterpik Cordless Pulse is a solid investment. To wrap it up, The Waterpik Cordless Pulse Rechargeable Portable Water Flosser does an excellent job at cleaning between teeth and promoting healthy gums, all in a convenient, portable package. Its waterproof feature makes it perfect for travel or shower use, and the ease of use is a big win for busy people on the go. It's well worth the price if you're serious about maintaining great oral hygiene. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep creating honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.